the sigil is still powerful, and the more that you use it, the more power that you build in strength and manifestation power.
Just like magic, I'm attracted. I get everything I want 'cause I attract.
Hey, what's up everyone, Minister Ashley here. So this is the second time I'm recording this video. For some reason it was acting like a but gotta do it anyway, right? All right, I'm doing the review for the Conjure candles. I'm going to split it up into two different videos because I have two different sets of the candles. So first I'm going to go over the ones that I ordered last year. First, let me let you know now, I made some mistakes with the first set of them, which is perfectly fine. I have learned the error of my ways, and I'm going to let you guys know, so therefore you won't make the same mistakes, okay? All right, make sure that you do like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the very end. More information coming with the channel, the ministry, all of that stuff. So anyways, last year I ordered these two candles. So I have the fifth pinnacle of Mercury. And speaking of Mercury, I do have the last video that I posted about mental magic and working with the planet of Mercury. This one I got it specifically for business. And then I have this one. It is Supreme 8 in, it's like angels, I believe it was. But anyways, these containers are so high quality, and the herbs, look, the herbs are still down in the bottom of there. So my plan is to take out the wick, I used to do handmade candles, so I'm gonna pour some new wax in there and mix it up a little bit and reburn it. Look, the sigil is still powerful, and the more that you use it, the more power that you build in strength and manifestation power. All right, so I have been using them for like incenses, so that's the reason why it's sort of kind of like dirty on the outside. And this one right here, where we went over the sigils for Mercury, and this is the fifth pentacle of Mercury. And this one I got for a business. Now, some of the mistakes that I made, I didn't set a clear intention when burning them. Before and during burning them, I wouldn't sit with them and watch them and really focus on the flame and focus on my intention. And even probably more worse than that is the fact that when I got them, yes, I did pray over them, didn't do any rituals to clear the path beforehand. Like just recently I did a 3-part candle series with a road opener, a jinx candle, and a blockbuster candle. So you can check out those 3 videos if you do, especially if you plan on getting really high-end candles like these ones. So that, of course, helped to clear a lot of the blockages and help prepare me for a manifestation. So you got to clear the path before you can plant. All right, so what I did last year when I got these, I planted without clearing the path. Okay, so I definitely believe like these other 2 candles that I have now that I ordered this year will have better results and more long-lasting results. When I burnt these, I did have results. So first of all, like I just let them burn all the way through. I didn't really, like I said, really plant any real seeds. Besides, I just want to make sure I make this money back, that I invested. Just with little intention, little power, I doubled my money within 1 week of how much I invested into these candles. So that was already right there. Let me know how powerful these candles are and the intentions that went into producing these candles. So imagine if I had really took the steps and really set powerful intentions and really walked through it and took my time. I could have, who knows, just infinite possibilities. But okay, another tip, you don't have to burn them all at one time. That's another thing. I try to rush to burn them. Okay, you can take and burn these over years if you wanted to. You can wait till a powerful new moon or full moon, or depending on your chart, when you feel like you're supposed to burn them. Like say if you were working with business and you want to really a nice Taurus moon, the lunation comes through, or whatever may be conducive for your chart for money manifestation, you could, or for whatever manifestation that you get the candle for, you could wait until then and burn it. Then you don't have to even burn the whole thing. You could wait till another lunation or another positive alignment comes and you can burn it. You don't have to just rush and burn them, okay? You can make it last forever. You know, you can make it last, okay? So I do have 2 other candles. One I did start burning. The other one I haven't started burning. It's in a container like this. I think it's like domains, like working with angels. And yeah, let me tell you, each one of them comes with a free gift. So you get the charcoal and frankincense. I believe it's frankincense that you can burn, and that's right there is already worth quite a bit. You know, so before you burn them, you know, clear the atmosphere. Before you burn your candles, clear the atmosphere with that. And the second candle that I got is Marie Laveau, you know, from American Horror Story, the Coven season with Angela Bassett, the one that played, you know, she played that character. That one, that right there, that person. And of course, she did such a good job. I had to watch it for the second time. I'm rewatching it now. So anyways, yeah, so I got that candle. And I'll let you guys know how those results pan out. I only burn it one time, and I haven't even started on the second one. So I'll keep you guys posted about that when I have more knowledge and have experienced and walked through it a little bit more. I don't want to give, you know, you guys any information I don't know quite myself. So another thing, like, you may be keeping a journal or documenting the progress, your intentions, and how those are coming along. It did work really fast for me. This time I think that what will happen is that it will have a longer lasting effect. Like, I got quick cash when I used these, and that was what my mind was sort of kind of focused on. But now my mind is focused on longevity, focus on wealth building, not just, you know, a little fast cash or whatever. It's on longevity. So I believe that will pan out over time. I believe I will see some results up front, but the bulk of the results will be in these new habits and mindsets that I am implementing into me, into my lifestyle. All right. So yeah, let me give you guys some updates. So the 21-day life reset, the 3rd annual one, just launched. Actually, today. I went live earlier today, and I hope to go live like every day on my main YouTube channel, Instagram, and TikTok. Hopefully at 11 a.m. And I say hopefully because, like, you know, I haven't done a daily go live. Actually, I take that back. When I first started the FD 1111 Ministries, I would go live every day at 10 a.m. For a while, you know. But anyways, I don't want like a burnout and stuff. And I still want to make sure that I'm implementing those new practices for myself. So anyways, you guys can check out that first episode. I have a 12-page PDF download, the Ultimate Bible Decoder, for anyone that wants to dive deep into the scriptures in ancient texts. There's an ancient technique in there. There's over 80 words that have the some of it is channeled, and some of it is like the occult or hidden meaning of the words. So when you look at the Bible, when you read the Bible, you'll be able to decode it, but also you could see the rituals jump off of the pages. That's how I'm able to know when, like, I see something and I'm like, oh, that's a ritual right there. Actually, that happened twice today when I was doing the live study. I was like, oh, hold up, that's 2 rituals right there, just from Psalms 51. It's for $5.55, 555, divine change, for $1.11, 111, okay? That I have another 12-page PDF for the 21-day life reset. I have journal prompts, fun exercises, scriptures pertaining to the 4 categories of life. And you can utilize this whole 21-day reset. You can start at any time, but I also mentioned this in the PDF. Best time to start is on a equinox or solstice, preferably the spring equinox, because that's the real New Year's, a new year, like the American New Year, or birth date, something like that. Those are like the best dates to start. So you can go ahead and jump in, go get those, and get the new year started off right. Any other updates? Yeah, the shop. So the Magic Money oil, the Love oil, Florida water kits, and like the candles, all of those, I put those on pause. Right now I only have the PDF downloads and the Oracle deck available on the Etsy shop and my website. In the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be bringing all of that stuff back and opening up for maybe around about 6 to 7 weeks, in between 3 to 7 weeks, around about that time. And I'm going to be opening up the shop to offer all of those offerings. Yeah, and I'll let you guys know. But anyways, you guys, go check out all of the other offerings that I have. And the 21-day life reset, the Ultimate Bible Decoder, and every Saturday at 11:11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I post on my other channel, the main ministry channel. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. I forgot to mention about the Awaken magazine. So the Awaken magazine just launched on the 19th, on the spring equinox. It was very successful. We had the Truth Seeker as the cover story. And if you guys are interested in being featured, tarot spreads, you want to share your witchy knowledge or anything like that, you can always go to www.awakenmagazine.online and submit a form. The magazine is published every equinox and solstice, so you have time to catch up for the solstice. All right, you guys, peace.